Today I will be showing the training class how to find providers on the online portal known as My Health Online or upmchealthplan.com. It's very simple to find for new hires. It's favorited on the desktop of your computer, and all you have to do is get to the link, and without even logging in anywhere on the portal, you'll be able to find the in-network doctors that members may be questioning. This is a very common question that comes across in the call center. Members are referred to doctors all the time, or they have doctors that they wish to see. It's important that we let them know if they are in network so they can be able to be paid for properly. It's very, as I said, simple to find. Once you're on the website, as I am now, which is that upmchealthplan.com, you're going to go to the option of Find Care. When clicking on Find Care, you're going to see two options. I'm just browsing and I'm a member. You can use both. It is much easier to use a member ID. This allows the ID to only bring up providers that will be in network for that specific member and causes way less confusion and assures proper information is given out. Once you get to this tab, you will click I'm a member. For sake of personal health information, I will be using my member ID today to show for example. So first I will start by putting the member ID in. Typically you can copy and paste, or you can just type it in normally, however you prefer. Now that I've put in my ID, I will click Find My Plan. Now that my plan's been found, it will ask you what kind of care are you looking for. Since, for example's sake, I'll be looking for primary care physician, I'm going to select medical care. As you can see, you have two options. You can search a doctor by their name or their specialty. I will be searching by their specialty. Primary care provider comes up as one of the most common, but if you're looking for any type of other specialty, just by typing into the search engine, it will populate for you and find the proper specialty you are looking for. You also want to put in the zip code of the member, and for my sake, that would be my zip code. And then you have a distance options between 1 mile and 50 miles. Once you choose the mileage, you click search, and this will populate all doctors that would be in network for me personally in my plan. It's a very simple process and very easy step to take to get the member the proper information that they need. Although this was a short training, I wanted to show you in person how easily it will be to adjust to finding in-network providers. I hope this small video was something that helped you guys through to understand portions of the website you will be using on a daily basis. Thank you.